Tools, you will only need a Phillips head screwdriver, a pencil, some painter's tape, and some safety glasses. Now the steps to install the towel bar are very similar to the hook. The only difference is that the towel bar is going to have 2 mounting brackets instead of the 1. And a good rule of thumb for me is about 48 inches off the floor to make sure nothing's hitting the floor. Secondly, again, we want to make sure that we're trying to do this without a drill. So when we're putting up our template and determining where our mounting brackets are going to go, we're going to be using those drywall anchors again and want to be sure we're missing those studs. So just keep those positions in mind like we did for the hook. The first thing we're going to do is to grab our template that's included in the packaging, set that on a nice flat surface, and we're going to take our level here that Delta's included in the box. Now we're very carefully going to place it right down in the center of this box that's on our template. And it's very important that we get this as level as possible. So just kind of get your eye right up over the top of the box. What we're going to do is you can either use a pencil or a screwdriver. Just make a little indentation directly in the center of those circles. Now just like before, I'm going to preload my screwdriver, place the tip of the anchor directly into the hole, and give it a little bit of pressure to get it started. All right, now that I have all 4 of my drywall anchors installed, it's now time to install my mounting brackets. Now, just like before, it has 2 sides. I'm going to make sure the flat side's facing against the wall. Now, with those ready to go, I'm going to take my screwdriver and begin tightening them up again. That's looking great, so I'm going to move over to the other side and do the exact same steps. To go ahead and loosen that up, I'm going to use my hex key from the bottom to tighten it. Let's take our bar and fit it in that one side that we just installed, that one post. And we need to actually put our other post kind of down over our other bracket.